Looking at a little ranch style house, probably 3-bedroom. It's been empty, vacant for probably 5-7 years or more. I believe the finance company foreclosed on it. Doesn't appear to be sitting on a large piece of property, perhaps a half an acre or more. Look at the birds dancing in the backyard here. In pretty rough shape. Whoever was here last installed some new windows. The interesting thing about this place is that whoever had owned it in the past had added a lot of large garage space for working on cars, possibly doing some automobile painting. Huge garage door. And a couple more large garage doors here in the front. One part of the addition to the house, sort of like a barn shape. Concrete porch is in rough shape. Well, coming inside, we find a living room littered with all kinds of trash. It's a knotty pine, or what I call snotty pine. I don't like it. There's a closet full of, looks like men's clothes. Interesting attempt at a fireplace. The floors are bare, they've been stripped. A linen closet. Interesting effect with exposed beams and a purple bedroom. As I said, this place has been vacant for probably more than 8 years. Cobwebs hanging down, just like in the last place. Wardrobe. And an interesting wall treatment. Only 2 bedrooms this end of the place. And there's the bathroom. Ooh. In a rough shape. Winterized toilet. Back into the living room. There's some Christmas decorations. Reasonably new stove in the kitchen. Nice cabinetry. Too bad whatever work was going on in here ended up being left behind. It's an interesting space. Family room, sliding glass doors. More knotty pine. This is a connection to the garages. Looking down the garage door. Looks like I'm going to fall down. Staircase, second floor. And the garage door knocked down here. Exit way from the garage space. There's a bird in here. He's pretty upset he can't get out. Large area where car repairs, painting was done. Chilly morning. Pretty cold out. I don't see the bird right now. I hope he's able to get out. Nothing worse than a wild critter trapped somewhere. Do a quick look up this staircase. There's stairs missing. Give us a little bit more light. I'm not sure it even made any difference. It's interesting, the egg cartons stapled to the roof joists. And back down the stairs. Breezeway entrance hall. And down to the basement. Like a little workshop here. Looks like things are getting a little moldy. Workbench. Some cabinets. More knotty pine, like lots of mold. Laundry area. Exterior bulkhead door, there's a big sink. Porcelain enamel. It's not a big house. There's the furnace. Hot water tank, reasonably new, and the pump room for the well. Seems kind of a shame. A little repair, a little fix-up. Could be a nice house. High traffic area. Well, again, I hope the bird gets out. Again, someone's used a tree trunk to help hold up the floor. All right, we're going back out. Thanks for watching.